Hello everyone, welcome to the session of coordinate geometry. In this session we will learn about circumcenter, position of the circumcenter with respect to the nature of the triangle, orthocenter and relation between the circumcenter, orthocenter and center angle. Now first come to the circumcircle. A circle which passes through all the three vertices of the triangle is called circumcircle of the triangle. Center of the circle is called circumcenter. Generally it is denoted by capital S. A circle which passes all the three vertices of the triangle is called circumcircle. Center of the circle is called circumcenter. It is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of the sides. The point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of the sides. Okay, sides of the triangle. It is also having equidistance from the three vertices. This is nothing but circumradius. Center of the circle is called circumcenter. Radius of the circle is called circumradius. Generally it is denoted by capital R. Radius of the circumcircle is capital R. Center of the circumcircle capital S. Here from this figure, S is having same distances from the three vertices. That means SA equal to SB equal to SC equal to capital R. This is what about the circumcircle, circumcenter, circumradius. Now positions of the circumcenter in case of the different type of triangles. If suppose the triangle is acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, circumcenter lies inside the triangle. You can see the figure also. Here S lies inside the triangle. Okay. In right angle triangle, circumcenter lies on the triangle, that too midpoint of the hypotenuse. Here the midpoint of the hypotenuse is the circumcenter in case of the triangle, right angle triangle. So in third one, in case of obtuse angle triangle, if the triangle is obtuse angle triangle, circumcenter S lies outside the triangle. If suppose the obtuse angle is at A, this circumcenter is opposite to the vertex A outside the triangle, position of the circumcenter. So here we observe three positions. In case of acute angle, it lies inside the triangle. In case of right angle triangle, lies on the triangle, that to midpoint of the hypotenuse. And in case of obtuse angle triangle, lies outside the triangle. This is what about the position of the circumcenter and circumcenter, circumradius. Okay, let's come to the orthocenter. Before going to orthocenter, okay, what is the definition of the orthocenter? The point of intersection of the altitudes of the triangle is called orthocenter. Generally it is denoted by O. So before going to definition, just we have to introduce the altitude. What is the altitude? Just like height, altitude means a line passing through a vertex. A line passing through A and perpendicular to the opposite side is called an altitude. Suppose ABC is a triangle. If you draw a line, perpendicular line from A to opposite side, that is called altitude. We can draw three altitudes from three vertices. Okay. In right angle triangle, orthocenter is at right angle point. If you take right angle triangle, if you draw the three altitudes, that those three must be intersecting at orthocenter. The orthocenter coincides with the right angle point. In right angle triangle, orthocenter is at right angle point. If you take some examples, the points suppose A comma B, B A comma C and C D comma B. If you take these 3 points, what is your observation? In A and B, x coordinates are same. If you take slope, you will get infinity. That means the line AB is parallel to y axis. Similarly, observe BC points. Here the coordinates A and C points. Here the y coordinates are same. If you take slope of AC, it will be 0. It is the line parallel to x axis. Okay. So clearly ABC is a right angle triangle. Here the right angle at A, repeated point A comma B is the right angle point. So clearly in this triangle, right angle is at A. Okay. Here x coordinates and y coordinates are x coordinate repeated in A and B, y coordinate repeats in A and C. So here the repeated coordinates are in a point A. So this is called a point at right angle. In right angle triangle, orthocenter is at right angle point. If suppose In these given 3 points, one is origin and another one x1, y1, x2, y2. Then how can you find the orthocenter? There is a formula to find the orthocenter. So here suppose A 0 0, B A comma B, B C comma D. You can take 0 0 x1, y1, x2, y2 also. In case of these coordinates, there is a formula for orthocenter, that is alpha into D minus B comma minus alpha into C minus A, where alpha is equal to AC plus BD by AD minus BC. In case of x1, y1, x2, y2, alpha is equal to x1, y2 plus x2, y1 by x1, y2 minus x2, y1. Here we are taking 0 0 A B C D. So this is the formula to find the orthocenter. Okay, if the triangle is equilateral, what will happen? The orthocenter is coincide with centroid and circumcenter. These three centers, circumcenter, centroid, orthocenter, coincide each other in case of equilateral triangle. Suppose take one problem. Find the orthocenter of the triangle formed by A 1 comma 2, B 3 comma 5 and C minus 1 comma minus 2. We have formula when the one point is origin. But here 3 points are given 1, 2, 3, 5 and minus 1 minus 2. If you want to apply the formula, what you have to do? Just to change the one point out of these three, 0 to 0, shift the given point to origin. If you want to change A point 1 comma 1 comma 2 to 0 0, then what will happen? The 3 points becomes A 0 0, B minus 2 minus 3. How can you write minus 2 minus 3? 1 minus 3, 2 minus 5 gives minus 2 minus 3. And how can you write C point with respect to the new system? Here also you can write 1 minus of minus 1, that means 2, 2 minus of minus 2, that means 4. Here we have clearly A 0 0, B minus 2 comma minus 3 and C 2 comma 4 are the coordinates of the given points with respect to new system. If we have a formula, here 0 0, x1, y1, x2, y2 are there, then we have a formula to find the orthocenter. So that's why we change the given point into this form. So here we have clear idea. This is a formula and we have three coordinates, one is 0 0 and another one 2 are x1, y1 and x2, y2 like that. So write down the formula for orthocenter. So substitute these coordinates, we will get, first of all find out alpha value. What is alpha? Minus 2 into 2 minus 3 into 4 by minus 2 into 4 minus of minus 3 into 2. It gives minus 4 minus 12 by 8 minus 8 plus 6. That means minus 16 by minus 2. That is equal to 8. If alpha here alpha equal to 8, substitute in the above formula. Already we know B, D, C values. Okay. Now the orthocenter of the triangle ABC is equal to 8 into 4 minus of minus 3 comma minus 8 into 2 minus of minus 2. That means 8 into 7 comma minus 8 into 4. 56 comma minus 32. These are the coordinates of the orthocenter. But here we have given coordinates of 3 points. There is no 0 0 point, but we have formula in case of 0 0. So we changed the one point, we shifted to the point A 1 comma 2 to 0 0. With respect to the new system, we write down the coordinates of B and C also. Here we change the B and C, those are minus 2 comma minus 3 and 2 comma 4, one is 0 0. So this is the process we have to find out the orthocenter in case of the given 3 points. 3 points are given. Okay, we have clear idea to find the orthocenter in case of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 also. Okay, right, thank you.